guys and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Lizzo here with us with a song called Special. This is the first time I believe we have Lizzo here on Gordon Guitar. A cool artist here. Let's rock this song together. Special. So no need for any cape on this one. It's 4 chords. That's what we need. So let's start with the run over here. The chords, the A minor 7 first. It's open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then the next chord will be the A minor 7, but now with B in the bass. So that means you will add this second fret on the A string instead of going with it open. So everything else is the same. That gives us second on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be kind of a D with a B in the bass, like this. So that is second on A, open D, second G, third B, and open E. There you have the chords, guys. A minor 7, A minor with B in the bass, then C, and then we'll call that the DB chord. All right. So we will look at the strumming pattern, and we need to divide it into 2 different parts because some chords will split up a little bit. So we're gonna go with the C actually, because that is the chord we're gonna play one full strumming round with. So grab the C. It's not the first chord, but it's easiest to show you with this. So the C, and the first part will be just down, down. All right, so very easy. Down, down. So it's a space in between the 2 downs, not too fast. So down, down. And then the second part will be up, down, down, up, down. Up, down, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So that's one full round. So let's go over the chords, and it will go in the same order through the entire song. So that will be A minor 7, part 1, so down, down, and then you shift to the A minor 7 with B in the bass and play part 2, and then you go to C and play 1 full strumming round. This is the half of the song so far. We'll go over the rest pretty soon, but first let's play A minor 7 part 1, A minor 7 B part 2, and then the C 1 full strumming round. So that's the first half, and then you're gonna repeat that again. To begin with, A minor 7 part 1, A minor 7 with B in the bass part 2, and then you're gonna end with C part 1, and then this DB chord part 2. So slowly, A minor 7 part 1, then A B, C part 1, and then the DB part 2. And that is how I'm gonna play through the entire song. I'm gonna give you 1 full chord progression round. It sounds like this. And then it starts next round. And that is how it goes. Lizzo's Special. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.